welcome my Scrappin friends. I'm Vanessa and I'm with Scrappin It Up. And today I want to do an album share with you guys. Yes, I do have the tutorial available on my website. And after I get done showing you this, I will tell you a little bit more because I'm going to add to this tutorial for you guys, okay? So wait till we get done showing and then I'll add the rest, okay? Alright, so we have this. This I created with the Simple Stories Country Harvest Collection. It is the binder, and I apologize, my cover is not glued down yet because I can't find my fabric tack. I don't know where it walked off to, but it's hiding from me. And that's usually how I glue flowers and stuff down, is with fabric tack. So this is what it's going to look like. So I'll take this all off here. Yeah, my fabric tack. I don't think I emptied it, but you know, I don't know. Maybe I did and forgot that I emptied it. But anyway, it has legs and it walked off. So here's the back. I just pieced it in with some papers that I had left. But oh my gosh, this paper is beautiful, beautiful. And like I said, it is with the Simple Stories binder. Okay, so you open it up, and we created a pocket right here, and then I just stuck some of the little cut-off parts from the collection, and that holds that down, so that flips open. So this binder is kind of geared towards album making, but it's in a binder, and the next one, after I get done here, I'll show you the other one, okay? So this is our first page, and it has tags in here. And what I done, I just cut this piece out from the collection, and then I backed it with the orange paper, okay? This paper here is basil. It didn't come, I had a kit that people could purchase, and I added basil paper to it, the orange, the teal, oatmeal color, and a brown, I believe. But yeah, there's the oatmeal color right there. So then I just kind of embellished it up a little bit. So this is page 2, and it flips open, and it just has washi tape on both sides with a hinge. And I didn't decorate this page at all because if you decorated it, it was going against all this, and it was just going to be too busy. So I didn't decorate that page. So then here we have this. We have a little tip-in right here, and I just glued the bottom of the truck and cut out a couple of tags and used Tim Holtz Distress ink and gave him a little bit of age. And then that just flips. Then here is one of the little, the pocket pages, and I just stuck some of the cut-aparts from the collection in it. Here's my favorite. This is my favorite. So you have these little tags here, and I just glued down just around it so these could slip down in here and hold this down. So this flips open, and the bottom flips open, and then this flips open. And then you have a spot to put tags or photos or however you choose to do it. Excuse me. So then that just goes all nice in there. You can just put your tags there, and it holds everything in place. And I did use hole reinforcements, and I colored in with Tim Holtz ink. And then just a simple page. Then here is a pocket, one of them pocket pages, and I thought, well, that'd be cute to stick our extra tags in. So that's what I did. And then we made a little thing here that it's a photo that just kind of flips like this, and you could see your photos. Okay. And then all this fits right back inside this little page protector, just like that. I thought that was pretty cool. Oh, I forgot to show you the back. So this page just has a slanted pocket and a couple of pieces from the cutout collection, and then we backed it with paper. Then this flips Look at that. Look at that spread. Oh, it's beautiful. Then these flip open. I just stuck some washi tape from the collection. Just kept it pretty simple. But look at that. Beautiful. And then we have this. And I just glued this so you could put a photograph underneath here. And then here's a little tuck spot. And then again, just another one of those pages with the cut aparts in here. Then here's this. Very cute. I just was trying to use up some of my washi tape, but very cute. And then continued it onto the back side, so you put pictures here, journal, whatever your little heart desires. Then here's another one of those page protectors. Again, I left this open so I could slide a picture in there. And my washi tape again. And then this flips open. And you have a pocket right here. So you can stick photo mats, or, you know, if you wrote a letter, you can stick a letter in here, whatever you like. And I just left this page plain. Oh, just that basil. This is oatmeal color, and I forget what the orange is, but it just all fit in so well. Then here I cut around the part of the piece of paper and made a pocket. Just glued it here in here. Then here is a page that it's hooked here and here. And then this is a page that's hooked here and here. Ain't that cute? Oh, I love this book. I can't wait. I'm going to do another one of these. Be sometime probably late summer, early fall. I want to do one with all... me and my husband, we ride our razor. And we go, you know, for quite a few hours and ride all over the country. So I want to document all those pictures, and I want to do it in this type of setting. So I think what I'm going to do, the next one that I make, this one I done on my Facebook page. The next one I make, I think I'm going to do it on YouTube here for you guys. I thought you guys would like that. So then you have a pocket here. You just slide back in here. So you have a pocket there. You have a little pocket here. Place your photo. And I didn't glue this down, so you can place your photo here. Plus, you have a little pocket. And I need to put a tab on that. You have a little pocket here. So you have one pocket, two pockets, three pockets. Yeah, I need to put a little tab on that. And then here you just have a plain old pocket. Okay. Then here at this page I just left plain because I didn't want to decorate it all up. I want to save it for the photos because it is a pretty busy piece of paper. So it flips open. This flips open. Look at that. Again, I used my washi tape. Then here's a flap. This flap has a little pocket for whatever you would like. And then here, I left this open back here so you could put your photo. Here's a little tag. And here's some tags. Okay. Very cute. So then this flips open and you have that. And here's the very back. And I didn't put no pocket on the back because this thing got pretty bulky pretty fast on me. So I just wanted to allow it just to put your photos on here or journal on here or, you know, whatever you would like. But if you would like to learn how to make this, I will have it on my website. I do have a tutorial for it. The tutorial, you get the cutting guide. You get their written instructions, and you get what I'm calling inspiration sheets. So if you want to copy exactly how I done mine, I took pictures And so you could make yours exactly like mine. Or to give you an idea, you know, use your washi tape here. You know, I used a piece of cardstock. You use whatever color you want. But it's, these are my inspiration sheets to help you out. Okay? So and then you get all the process videos of how to make this. They will be my Facebook Live classes. Okay? And something I'm going to do, if you purchase this tutorial, I'm going to throw in my December Daily 2020 one that I made also. Okay? So if you pick up this tutorial, you're going to get both of these. And then when I do the summer one, I'm going to add the summer one to this one too. So there'll be 3 of these within this tutorial. Okay? And I think, I mean, if you guys let me know if you would like to see this done on YouTube, I'd be more than happy to do it right here on YouTube. I've done these 2 on Facebook. I think if you guys would like to see it done on YouTube, I'll do it on YouTube instead of Facebook. Okay? But you get this one as well. And I've reviewed this one before, but we can just quickly go through it, just so you get an idea, just in case you didn't see it. Okay, and this one's for Christmas. You have a little pocket here, a little page for journaling. Here is a envelope with acetate. Here is a 3 pocket. You have a little flip here. You have a pocket on the front, and you have a pocket on the back. Plus you have a pocket in the middle. Okay, so it's 3 pockets. Then here is page protector, and then this flips up, and then you have that. Okay, and then this flips open, and you have this and this, kind of like a waterfall. This flips open, then that flips, and that flips. Here's just a piece of acetate. Then here you have a pocket, and you have another pocket back here. This one got pretty chunky pretty fast too. Then you take this little paper clip off, and you have like this accordion thing. Yeah, accordion thing. Oh my. And I just put the paper clip there just to keep it all nice and tidy. Excuse me. So then here's again one of those half pages and another half page. I still put it in both binders, because if you don't, it slides sideways, because I tried that and it didn't work. So you have to have it in both. Here's just a plain page, and then this flips out, and I see. You can put a photo back here if you want. That's cute. Okay, so here's this. Then here you have a waterfall, and I'll just undo one of them. Hopefully. I put these on here to help. Okay. So you open this up, and you have a waterfall right here. Ain't that cute? And you have that on both sides. And then you just tie it. I just used yeah, this stuff. Boy, I'm at a loss for words. I can't even think. Oh my. And you have the same thing over here. But ain't that cute? And then there's just a plain page. And my little thing keeps falling off. It says, let whatever you do today be awesome. And I stick it here so I can see it whenever I look. But it keeps falling off. And then just a pocket page. So that's the December Daily. So you will get both of these if you purchase this. And then when I do the late summer one, maybe early fall, I will be doing it with my all of our razor rides. And so I will put that one in here too. If if you purchase this, you will get all three of them. But just be aware the third one will not be completed till we complete it here on YouTube. Because I really think I need to do one on YouTube for you guys. I think you guys would really enjoy doing something like this. It's something different. You get to have a lot of fun with it, and it's just really fun to create. Okay. All right. That's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And so you never miss out on my new stuff that I come up with. All right, guys. We will talk to you guys later. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.